Hey everyone, this is your week 3 check-in video. So I actually have the D2L portion pulled up right now that I'm looking at. So I'm going to go over that a little bit because I just want everybody to stay on track with the online content, and then I'll go a little bit into like the lab portion as well. So for week 3, your lesson and reading portion for this week is going to be reading chapter 4 out of your welding textbook. The PowerPoint for chapter 4 is also going to be attached to the D2L content for the lesson and reading portion. For your assignment, you're going to have to define the key terms from chapter 4. I have uploaded the key terms on D2L as well, so you can use that and just type it up, or if you want to print it out and handwrite it, or if you just want to handwrite the whole thing and upload it to Dropbox, you're more than welcome to do that. But the paper is attached in the assignment section for your Dropbox. And then your discussion questions. So y'all should be familiar with now both of the electrodes or rods, the 6010s and 7018s. So your discussion question this week is going to be, what electrode is your favorite to weld with so far and why? And then also, is there anything that you need help with out in the shop? You can put it in here. Do you need another demonstration? Anything I can better assist you with out in the shop? So just give a detailed response to that. Like if everything's going well and you're turning in projects and you don't need any help, just put on there, hey, I think I'm doing well out in the shop, but still answer what's your favorite electrode. For your quiz or exam for this week, so it's going to be on the material that was covered in chapter 4 that was listed throughout the week 3's content material. So it's going to be on chapter 4, which is the shielded metal arc welding a plate. So to take your quiz or exam, and hopefully by now y'all know that for your quizzes and exams, you can reference back to your book and you can use the PowerPoints for that, because I want y'all to get the correct answers. I want y'all to know what you're supposed to be looking for, okay? So that is going to be your online material for week 3. So now I'm going to talk a little bit about the projects. So to be fully ahead of the game or right on track, you need to have at least 6 projects turned in by the end of this week. So Wednesday, which is the final week that y'all, or the final day that y'all come in for this week, you need to have at least 6 projects turned in to stay on task, because there are 18 projects throughout this course, and by the end of week 3 you should have at least 6 projects turned in. If it's something where you only have 1 project turned in or no projects turned in, there's something that is going on and we need to fix it so you can get your projects turned in, making good grades. And if you're still struggling, just reach out to me and let me know, which I know what's going on in the shop, so hopefully I'll already have talked to you about that. But for the most part, everybody is doing great. I am thoroughly enjoying this class. So as always, if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me. Thanks everybody.